Hi, you're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make share trading project. And this is a mini project, a small project, particularly for the student who are doing course in BCA, PE, Diploma or BSc, or any computer science student who wish to do project. For them, this video will help to understand the whole concept and you can build based on this video the complete application. So first let us understand what is share trading and how do we do this and what is the project will do. Fine. So share trading is like it's a very old business. It's for a long time and till today it's very difficult to understand for the most of the people. And people who are there into that field, they earn a lot of money from trading and sometimes they lose also. But what exactly the share trade is? So now to understand this, let's consider a company like SBI, State Bank of India, or you take Tesla, so any company. So this company it with a beginning invest keep growing and now assume that it's worth around 200 crores. Now they required some more money to expand this. So that time they can bring out 150 crore shares. They want to raise around 150 crore from the shares. So therefore they'll raise the shares. So people who are interested, they can buy these shares. So therefore at the face value of 10 rupees, they can bring 15 crore shares. Now people who are interested, they can buy this 15 crore shares. So what will happen if you buy the share? So now if I tell them that you will buy 100 shares by paying 1000 rupees. Now your face value is 10 rupees. Now what happen? Company grows well and now company valuation go to 400 crore. So people think that this company is doing well, so they want shares. So now you can sell your shares at 20 rupees. So then you will get a profit of another 1000 rupees. You will get your originally 1000 plus another 1000 rupees as a profit. So it may be in 1 year, okay? So you're not sold, but you retain the 100 shares here. But after 2 years, the company valuation will go to some 2000 crore. I mean, company is doing very well, getting a lot of money, business is doing well. Then what happen? Your company shares also keep growing now. So now it may cost around 200 rupees. So now 200 into 100, so 20,000. So whereas your investment is 1000, but what you are getting now is a 20,000. So this is what the main activity share trading. So where you'll have shares, you can sell the shares, and some A will have the share, they're going to sell to B. B will have the share, they can sell to C, and C will have the share again, A can buy this. So all this is the activity in a share trading. So let's see that how we can do in a project. I'll show the project demo of this. This is a small project to understand like how to write the project and basically how you know the language and how you know the concept. Both you have to combine together and you have to make the project. So please subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed. So please keep the subscribe button. And if you like the video, click like button. And you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. So we are using Visual Studio here. So this is the community 2019. Right, so here are the forms and I'll show you the tables. So here are the tables. So right click and if I say open definitions, so it will show you the columns, which are the columns are there in this particular table. So company, so in the company there are 5 columns. Company share. So again there are 7 columns. Customer tab. Customer, this project is basically for the small agent. That means a share agent. So where customer will come and he tell the agent, so I want this share. So therefore this particular agent will buy the share on behalf of the customer. That is the logic here. And this is a login user and then share transactions. So because the web application, so we need to manage everything in the same place. But actually, in real time, it's a quite big and quite huge. There are many things will come into picture. But we made as a very simple and easy one to understand the basics of this share trading, right? So now, if we come to the forms, so here is a login form. So flash screen, then MDI parent. Then here's a company form to store the company details. Company shares. So first time if the company issuing the shares, that is the details. This is a company list. So you can buy the share here. Then you can customer buy share. Customer deposit, because as I told already, it's an agent. When you call the agent, so you should have money in your account, then you can buy the shares on behalf of you. And this is the customer form. So this is to customer to sell the shares. And that is the thing. Okay, so let me run this project, so therefore it will be more clear. So this is a welcome screen, share trading. Okay, so here is a login form, so I can log in here. So now here you can see the company, so you need to enter the companies. So let me enter Tesla. Okay, so some mobile number I'll take here, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So save this. Okay, one company is created. Now customers, as I told already, so this agent, so allow customers, there is a customers, Anu, then I'll take the mobile number here. So then address I'll leave blank. Fine, so this was one customer. Now company new shares, okay. So let's assume that this Tesla company will bring a new shares. So let's take, okay, let us take less only. Um, okay, so it brought 1 lakh shares. So price is beginning price 10 rupees. So details, these are new shares. Save. So now Tesla allow the 1 lakh shares. And here is a customer deposit. So overall your customers, they need to keep the money in order to buy the shares. So it's a old way of doing the business. So let's say they have 25,000, or you can assume that is a credit. You can give up to 25,000 rupees credit. This is cash received. Fine. So this agent collected 25,000 from this particular customer. When they ask to buy the share on behalf of them, you can buy the shares. Next is the buy company shares. Now you can see that here are the shares are available. So you can communicate with your customer and tell them, so these shares are available at 10 rupees. How many shares you want? So then a customer says, okay, you can buy me 1,000. So let's say there is a 1,000. So totally cost is 10,000. You can save this. Now you can see that it left with 99,000 now. So earlier it is 1,000. Now we reduce to 1,000 shares reduced. So therefore you'll have 99,000. So now there is option called the sell share. Now you take this customer. After over a time, so this customer don't want to retain the shares and they want to sell it off. So that time the price will be somewhere around 20 rupees. Okay, so okay, so now it's at 20 rupees, so it becomes 20,000. So 1,000 shares into 20, so 20,000. So okay, so you are sold, so therefore you get the 20,000 back. So then you want to buy some other shares, so you can come here. So you can see that the other person will have some shares here, so that you would like to buy. Fine, so you can save this. So we don't have sufficient account to buy these shares. So here 25,000. Okay, so I'll add up some more money for Anu. So I'll just go there. So here is customer deposit. So I take Anu, she'll deposit another 30,000 rupees. Cash received. Fine, now she can buy these shares. So 28,000 rupees that you can allocate to Anushri. So done. And now if you come to sell share, so you can see that Anu, she have only these shares. Earlier is not showing here. And if you take Ramesh, so Ramesh will have these shares. No, here it won't show. Okay, here it not showing. So some mislink here. Okay, so here some is not showing, some is showing. Okay, 1 minute. Let me rectify. So it's correct only because now Anu will have these shares. He can able to sell it like. Okay, it's correct only. Right. So now what happened? We have a report here. So it's a company list. So these are the companies. Next is the customer list. So these are the customers. And then so one is the customer shares. Okay, what shares they're having. So she'll have a 28,000 was shares now. So if you take Ramesh, Ramesh shouldn't have. Okay. Okay. The issue is like when he sold this, here it should change to 5 actually. It's not yet been changed to 5. So one is company purchase, 2 is transactions, and 5 is sold. So it need to be changed but not changed, but I'll update it later. So okay, this is how the total project works. So hope you understand. And here we need to write one more update statement. It take little time, so therefore I'll update it later. So please try this and let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.